Are you looking for the best professional drones? In this video we will look at some of the best professional drones the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Professional Drone. The DJI Mavic 2 is a professional drone with a camera and GPS and has a Hasselblad camera and a motor with a speed of 48 miles per hour. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system includes a Hasselblad L1D20C camera that can capture 4K HDR video and enhance the gimbal. The high-grade motor has a speed of 48 miles per hour in windy conditions. The drone has an obstacle detection system that has a lithium battery which allows 30 minutes of flight time. The Mavic 2 has advanced features and high-quality features. This drone is registered with the Federal Aviation Administration, which has the best VR drones. The gorgeous 4K content has high quality that stands high for the price range. The crisp image due to 20 megapixels makes the drone produce a high-quality drone. The DJI Mavic 2 has superior image and video quality with an obstacle avoidance system and a good battery life. The 1-inch CMOS sensor L1D-20C camera has advanced active sensing to produce high-quality videos and photos. The remote control uses an ultra-bright 5.5-inch 1080p display that helps in maintaining clear visibility. The pause button acts as emergency braking, causing it to hover. The 31-minute flight time makes the drone capable of capturing aerial views and has a range of 18.5 kilometers. The 19 meters per second speed makes it further capable of capturing aerial photography. Out this item. Equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera with a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Mavic 2 camera drone lets you capture gorgeous aerial shots in stunning color detail. Up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 907 g takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, SD card support up to 128 GB. Functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. DJI Go 4 app requires iOS 10.0.2, Android 5.0, or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11, XS Max, XS, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8, 7 Plus, 7, XS Plus, XS, 6 Plus, 6, iPad Pro, iPad, Air 2, Mini 4. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10, S9 Plus, S9, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, S6, S6 Edge, Note 8, Huawei P30 Pro, P30, P20 Pro, P20, P10 Plus, P10, Mate 10 Pro, Mate 10, Mate 9 Pro, Mate 9, Mate 8, Honor 8X, 10, 9, 20 Pro, Magic 2, Vivo X20, X9, and X, X27, X21, X28, Oppo Find X, R15, R11, Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, 2, 8, 6, Redmi Note 5, OnePlus 7, 60, 5, Pixel 3 XL, 2 XL, 2, Google Pixel 2 XL, OnePlus 6, 5T. What you get: DJI Mavic 2 Pro, intelligent flight battery, gimbal protector, remote controller, 3x propellers, pair, battery charger, power cable, communication cable, USB 3. 0 Type-C, USB adapter, spare control sticks, pair, RC cable, lightning connector, RC cable, standard micro USB connector, RC cable, USB Type-C connector. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The DJI Phantom 4 RTK is the best professional drone in the market for surveying. This is an excellent high-quality drone with RTK capabilities which makes it more reliable for use. The DJI Phantom 4 RTK allows large projects and has 1-inch CMOS sensor and 3-axis gimbals. The 5,870 mAh battery can keep drone flight up to 30 minutes. The RTK can collect spatial data up to centimeters accurately. The swappable lithium battery, SD card for survey data, and 4G connectivity for cloud-based backup allow easy flight. The 4 RTK is a professional mapping drone that measures centimeter-level accuracy. The built-in surveying ability of the RTK module makes it further good in the market. The Phantom 4 RTK is a reliable tool for mapping. This has a GNSS module and an IMU for positioning. The RTK has a flight time of 30 minutes, which is enough for mapping projects. The 7 km range is sufficient for mapping projects. The longer range helps the drone to fly in difficult environments. The 36 miles per hour speed is fast enough for mapping a large area of ground. The 1 CMOS sensor camera that captures 20 MP images with 84-degree field video gives the best image quality. The 350mm size is suitable for even cars. If you need to transport it, it's light enough to carry with a weight of 1391 g. The best drones for photography and video have a camera that has H.264 4K video chips. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro is for professional shoots. This has a 1-inch 20MP camera that has a lithium-ion battery that has 30 minutes. The drone has an advanced multi-obstacle detection system that is powerful for indoor drones. Under 249 g, no registration is required. 1. Travel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time. Unleash stunning vertical videos in 4K/60 FPS HDR, perfectly showcases sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the camera. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Worry less about collisions when flying, even first-time users. Uninterrupted flights with extended battery life. Experience extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. 3. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Let nothing hold you back as you explore vast landscapes. Immerse in real-time aerial footage with 20 km FHD video transmission. 2. An essential for long flights and great high-quality visuals. Experience lag-free image transmission, immersing yourself in real-time aerial views like never before. Customize intelligent tracking with ease. Take control of your drone's tracking trajectory with the new Active Track 360 degrees. Achieve complex and seamless operation effects. Even if you're a beginner, getting started in capturing smooth videos is effortless. Includes DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI RC2, 134 minutes flight time battery, and more. Get precise control with DJI RC2 featuring a BR. Number 3. DJI Inspire 2 Professional Drone. The DJI Inspire 2 is a professional-grade drone that gives a top-line performance. This drone is designed not only for mapping but also if you are a professional photographer and you need aerial shots, then this is a must-go. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization system ensures smooth, steady footage. The obstacle avoidance system avoids any type of collision. The flight time is up to 27 minutes with powerful batteries in it. The flight time is quite impressive. The range of 7 kilometers is more than enough for most drones. The range allows getting the shots without losing the power. The Inspire 2 is a fast drone with 94 kilometers per hour. This makes it the fastest drone in the market. It's suitable for those who want to get quick shots. Long-range pilots also appreciate the high speed as it can cover large portions of ground in a shorter span. This drone is designed for professional photographers who have high-quality cameras. The drone doesn't have a camera but is compatible with many different types or kinds of cameras. The Inspire 2 is a large drone with a diagonal size of 23.8 inches, which makes it the best drone in the market. Its weight is 3,440 g, makes it a bit heavier. The DJI Inspire 2 is the best drone that boasts some impressive specs. The DJI Inspire 2 is 7 kilometers, which is a professional drone that has a top speed of 94 kilometers per hour. The DJI Inspire 2 has cameras with DJI Zen Muse X4S. The DJI Inspire weighs 3,440 grams and is important for professional drones. Number 4. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Professional Drones. The Autel Evo 2 professional drone has a compact design and is portable. Autel Evo 2 is the longest-range drone that has 3 options in specs: cameras and sensors. The Autel camera can record up to 8K 25 frames per second or 4K 60p and fly for 40 minutes. The Autel Evo 2 is a powerful long-range drone that can fly for 5.6 miles. The longest flight time of 40 minutes with a speed of 44 miles per hour. The forward, backward, downward, side, and upward obstacle avoidance sensors are capable of a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. The Auto Pro has a dual version with an added infrared sensor along with an 8K sensor. The Auto Evo 2 can stay in the air for 40 minutes at 44 miles per hour, providing the longest flight time. This model has 3 versions depending on the 8K high-resolution videos. The 5.5K quality videos and 20MP images have 8K and infrared sensors. The Auto Evo 2 is a powerful drone that is not portable and is large in size and heavy weight, making it to transport or fit in a travel bag. The lithium-ion battery has 40 minutes due to the portable design and professional drone. This model for design for photography.